This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Heidelberg, Germany. 1. Majestic Heidelberg Castle. Start your Heidelberg journey at the magnificent Heidelberg Castle, Schloss Heidelberg, the city's most iconic landmark and a symbol of German Romanticism. The castle ruins have inspired writers and painters for centuries, from Mark Twain to Goethe. The palace is a breathtaking mix of Gothic and Renaissance architecture. Construction began around 1300, and it served as the residence of the prince-electors for 400 years. Today, the ruins are a stunning sight, especially the famous collapsed facade of the Otto Heinrichsbau. Admission includes entry to the castle courtyard, the Great Barrel, and the German Pharmacy Museum. You can reach the castle by riding the Funicular railway up from Kornmarkt station, or by taking a 20-minute walk up the hill. 2. The world's largest wine barrel. Inside the castle grounds, you must see the Heidelberg Tun, Grosses Fass, the world's largest wine barrel ever constructed. This massive barrel is located in the castle's cellar. Built in 1751, it held over 220,000 liters of wine. It is so big that a dance floor was once built on top of it. According to legend, the court dwarf Perkeo was the castle's jester and guardian of the barrel. He would drink enormous amounts of wine from a smaller barrel. Visitors can climb a staircase to stand atop the giant barrel, which is quite a sight. There is also a smaller, older barrel nearby, but the Heidelberg Tun is the true showstopper. It is a quirky and beloved symbol of the Palatinate region's love for wine. 3. German Pharmacy Museum. Also inside the castle, you can explore the German Pharmacy Museum, Deutsches Apothekenmuseum. This unique museum is housed in a historic wing of the castle. It takes you on a journey through 2,000 years of pharmaceutical history. You can see beautiful old medicine cabinets, hand-blown glass vessels, and ceramic pots. The museum also displays antique mortar and pestle sets used by early pharmacists. It shows the development of remedies, from simple herbal tinctures to early chemical preparations. One room recreates an 18th century pharmacy workshop. The exhibits are fascinating, even if you aren't a science buff. It is included in your castle ticket and is a great place to learn about the history of healing. 4. Stroll across the Old Bridge. Next, head to the Old Bridge, Altbrücke, one of the most photographed spots in all of Germany. The official name is the Karl Theodor Bridge, named after the prince who built it in the 1700s. It is the 9th bridge to be built on this same site over the Neckar River. The bridge gate at the south end is a medieval tower that once guarded the city. Walk across the red sandstone bridge and stop at the brass monkey statue. Rubbing the mirror next to the monkey is said to bring good luck and wealth. From the bridge, you get the classic postcard view: the river, the castle towering above, and the old town spires. It is the perfect spot for a photo. 5. Philosophers Walk. For a spectacular view of the entire city, you must hike up the Philosophers Walk, Philosophenweg. This scenic path is on the north side of the Neckar River, directly across from the castle. It got its name because university professors and thinkers often strolled here for inspiration. The walk is about 2 kilometers long and is mostly a gentle uphill climb. If you want a more direct route, take the steep snake path, Schlangenweg, up from the end of the bridge. At the top, you are rewarded with a breathtaking panoramic view of the river, the castle, and the red roofs of the Altstadt. There are benches along the path where you can sit and take in the scenery. It is the best free activity in Heidelberg and a must-do for any visitor. 6. Historic Student Prison. Back in the Old Town, visit the quirky and historic student prison, Studentenkarzer. From 1778 to 1914, the university used this building to lock up misbehaving students. Offenses included dueling, public drunkenness, or letting their pigs loose on the street. The students were imprisoned, but they still had to attend lectures. They left their mark on the walls by painting elaborate graffiti and silhouettes. The prisoners were allowed to decorate their cells with poems, paintings, and their family crests. The graffiti is often humorous and shows their rebellious spirit. The cells are located on the second floor and are accessed by a narrow staircase. It is a fascinating glimpse into a strange chapter of university life. 7. Old Town Hauptstraße. Take a long, leisurely stroll down Hauptstraße, the longest pedestrian shopping street in Europe. It stretches for over 1.6 kilometers through the heart of the Old Town. The street is lined with beautiful historic buildings, many with ornate facades and statues. You can find everything from high-end fashion and jewelry to bookstores and souvenir shops. Pop into small alleyways to discover hidden courtyards and old churches. There are dozens of cafes and ice cream shops where you can stop for a break. The atmosphere is lively and energetic, especially on warm weekends. It is the perfect place to shop for a souvenir or just to watch the crowds go by. 8. Church of the Holy Spirit. Admire the stunning Heiliggeistkirche, Church of the Holy Spirit, the most important church in Heidelberg's Old Town. This massive Gothic church was built between 1398 and 1515. It sits prominently on Marktplatz, the town's main square. The church has a unique history. For several centuries, a wall divided it down the middle. One side was used by Catholics, the other by Protestants. Today, it is a Protestant church that welcomes visitors. You can climb the tower for another great view of the city. The tower climb costs a small fee, but is worth the steps. The church is also famous for housing the University of Heidelberg's library. It is a beautiful and historic landmark. 9. Ride the Königstuhl funicular. Take the funicular railway all the way to the top of Königstuhl Mountain, King's Seat. This is the highest peak overlooking Heidelberg, standing at 567 meters. The funicular departs from the station at Kornmarkt and stops at the castle before continuing up. The upper section of the track is a classic funicular, with two cars counterbalancing each other on a steep incline. At the summit, you will find a large playground for kids, a restaurant, and a nature preserve. The observation tower offers a 360-degree view of the Neckar Valley and the Odenwald Forest. The summit is also a starting point for hiking trails. On clear days, you can see all the way to the Palatinate Forest. Hit the like button if you like the video. If you want exciting offers on flights and hotels, check the description below. Next, 10. Eat a student kiss. Finally, you must taste a local Heidelberg sweet, the Heidelberger Studentenkuss, student kiss. This is a delicious chocolate wafer cookie created in 1863 by a local pastry chef named Fridolin Knösel. Legend has it that it was made so that students could express their affection without speaking. They could give the girl of their dreams this chocolate treat as a gift. Today, it is a beloved souvenir symbolizing the city's romantic spirit. You can buy the original student kiss at the Café Knösel on Haspelgasse. The cafe itself is a charming old shop with a beautiful window display. Grab a cup of coffee and a chocolate to enjoy the sweet taste of Heidelberg's history.